Hi everybody and welcome back. I'm Heather Fury, the Media Specialist at VHS North. I hope everyone had a wonderful summer. It's the start of a new school year and I would like to do a quick rundown of the services the VHS North Media Center has to offer. First off, I'd like to start with how can I help you? I do the resets for student Google and Genesis accounts. Teachers are welcome at any time to bring their classes into the library to utilize resources. I'm more than happy to collaborate with you, come up with projects and ideas for your curriculum. Feel free to stop in, email me, or call to sign up your classes. I can also create web list or book carts to be used within your classroom. I do have a select few Chrome carts if needed. Also, I can locate materials for you to use for projects or curriculum. I take care of all the laminating and posters. I already sent out a previous email with the instructions, but I am going to quickly go over School Dude and what you need to do. So once you log into your School Dude, what you're going to do is click, obviously, Vineland High School North Campus, select your area, which would be your classroom, your area number, your classroom number, obviously. The problem type, you could just put general. General will work just fine for me, and it usually gets to me when you click general, and that's down here on the list. Once you have completed that, put in the description, whether it be a Google reset or you need laminating and posters. Just remember when you do put in for the Google and Genesis resets, I do need an ID number, student's name, and the year of their graduation. You will then proceed down and under purpose, this is the important part, make sure that you click VHN Media Center. This will get it directly to me. If you don't do that, it has to go through a process and it may take days, maybe even weeks to get to me. So make sure that you click VHN Media Center. If you need to put in a password, further down, mine's already preset, you type in technology and then you would click submit down here further. Submit and it should go directly to me. So that's the process for doing a School Dude to get your poster laminating needs or Google and Genesis resets. The other thing I do is I schedule all the labs within the building. So any computer labs that we have available, I will schedule. So you need to contact me. Again, it can be through email. You could stop in or call me. I keep a Google Calendar of when the labs are being used. My extension is listed here. It's 2737, so feel free to call. And once again, like I said, I also have Chrome cards available for checkout, and it's upon availability. Destiny is the library website. It has many useful links, including school databases on it. The access is right here, and you can refer back to this at any time, and this is the link in which you go. Once you go to that link, it will then go to this page here. You click Vineland High School North, and you can search our catalog. Our catalog also has the ability to do searches for the web with WebPath Express. This is a great research tool because everything is checked for it being educationally sound. Students should not be able to get into any trouble getting into anything inappropriate here. If you would like more information and to see it work, feel free to stop in and speak with me. Again, back to the library search. Here is where you're going to search for books. You can search for books at VHS North. You can search for books at both high schools, elementary and middle school. So if I don't have something you're looking for, but one of the other schools does, feel free to contact me and I will contact them to get the materials that you need for your class. Back to the beginning, the other thing is when logging on for students. A lot of students do not know their Windows logon. If they do not know it, it's not a big deal. They can use the username student.temp VHS 2019. You as a teacher can use it as well. Just realize it's not going to bring up anything that you have saved to your desktop if you're using this generic one. So again, this is the temporary logon for desktops, and it's perfectly fine for students to use it. And finally, I just want to share, I have a little teacher room for all of you. I have various sitting areas in the media center where you can relax, collaborate, and enjoy a nice quiet break from your classes if you choose. I have a large variety of literature and extensive DVD collection, so I hope that you'll stop in and see me and take advantage of all the wonderful things we have here at our VHS Media Center. I hope everyone has a wonderful year, and I look forward to collaborating with you.